Next, we travel to Tam Coc, a name that literally means three caves. This boat tour is located along the Ngo Dong River and is legendary for its intimate connection with the local landscape and agricultural heritage. The route here is generally shorter, usually lasting around 1.5 to 2 hours, and takes you directly through the heart of the region's agricultural life. As you float along, you are surrounded by lush rice fields that turn brilliant gold during the harvest season. A truly unique highlight of Tam Coc is the traditional rowing technique. Many local boatwomen expertly row their sampans using their feet, a centuries-old skill that is both mesmerizing to watch and incredible to photograph. This style of rowing is a testament to the endurance and unique traditions of the local people. The experience here feels more personal and connected to the rhythms of the countryside. You are essentially floating through the backyard of the local villages. As you enter the three main caves, Hang Ca, Hang Hai, and Hang Ba, you feel the cool air change as you drift into the dark limestone tunnels. The water here feels closer, more intimate, and the mountains seem to rise almost vertically from the riverbanks, casting long, dramatic shadows. The river is the lifeblood of this area, and the sights along the way, including the historic Bich Dong Pagoda nearby, add a layer of spiritual depth to the natural beauty.